than getting faster, improved graphics and game titles, many aspects of traditional game consoles haven't changed much in the last 50 years. If the modern game console were to be truly reinvented, what would it be like? The Anywhere game console is the first game console developed specifically to take mobile games and enable a true console experience. We believe the supercomputer in your pocket will replace game consoles. We've done this by developing something called electrical spine mirroring technology, which eliminates latency and enables you to play mobile games with a controller or keyboard. Anywhere has successfully launched 2 products with the support of this community, the Phone Book and Phone Pad. And now we proudly bring you the Any console.
We wanted something that was smart and sophisticated, but still, had kind of a stealth, cool, confident look.
We've poured our hearts into the design, hardware, and software to create a complete solution, considering everything from cord storage to sound. The console industry has been dominated by a small group of big companies for far too long, and we believe the powerful chips in every smartphone have the potential to revolutionize the gaming industry.
Hey, what's up everyone? Anthony Kongpun here to show you all a new device I got a hold of. The one thing that's special about this product is that it actually has 0 latency. It blew my mind. And also on top of that, you can either connect a keyboard mouse, so I got my keyboard mouse here, or you can use a controller, which is awesome. It's amazing. It was just like I was playing on my PC or if I was playing on a console.
If people are going to contribute to this campaign, they're going to get something really cool, and it's exciting because it's something new.
Together with the Any console, we can make big screen entertainment less expensive and more accessible. Help us bring joy to friends and families around the world. The Any console from Anywhere.
Introducing Ebo by Enobot. Ebo is a smart family companion that allows you to be with the ones you love anytime, anywhere. It's your roam away from home.
Rise and shine, sweetie.
Good morning, Mom.
Available in 2 models, Air and SE. Ebo can be connected to your Wi-Fi and controlled remotely with a simple touch of a screen,
Morning, sweetheart.
no matter where you are. Compatible with iOS and Android, Ebo is equipped with a microphone and speakers, allowing for real-life interactions. Whoa, that sounds amazing. With the built-in full HD camera,
Move a little
you can
bit to your
capture
left.
every smile. Okay.
Say cheese.
And save every memory using Ebo's local storage. Want to play with your pets when you're away? Ebo makes it fun and easy.
Hey, Oreo.
Just connect to the app, find out what your fuzzy one is up to, and have a play session. With its surveillance features, such as 24-hour video recording, motion detection, and night vision, Ebo can monitor your house 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Its compact size allows Ebo to explore every corner of your home, discover a brand new perspective, and go places you can't reach. Using advanced TOF technology, Ebo can detect all sorts of obstacles ahead, and when needed, it comes to a full stop. Ebo's tumbler design gets Ebo back up on its wheels in a matter of seconds. That way, Ebo is always ready to roll. But Ebo is much more than just a smart tech device. Ebo Air's electronic pet setting turns your Ebo into a loving friend that always keeps you company. It's a true family companion. And you can always reach your elderly loved ones, even when they're away from their phones.
Hey, hi, dear.
Don't overdo it, okay?
And the whole family can use it, as it allows for multiple users to log in. Ebo gives you peace of mind no matter where you are. And the anti-drop function prevents Ebo Air from falling down from higher surfaces, such as steps, stairs, and furniture, avoiding accidents at all costs. When low on power, Ebo finds its way back to the charging dock and gets ready for a brand new day. From the Enobot family to yours, we're happy to bring love and companionship into your home. Ebo, always together.